Junkyard Junkie, back here with another video. This is going to be a quick video on how to replace the front wheel hub. Previous guy said that he had a lock nut on there that he couldn't get out, so he really did some carnage here, and the wheel stud is messed up. Normally we just change the wheel stud, but I found this hub for so cheap that I'm just going to put that on. So you want to jack it up, and now we're going to take off the lug nuts. Okay, so they make a specific tool to actually take these off, but I don't have it, so we'll just use a screwdriver and a hammer. You just want to get on this lip right here. Try to work it free. There we go. Now you're going to want a 36mm socket for this. Take that off. Now we just need to take off our brake caliper and our rotor. Okay, so to get this brake caliper off, we just want to come back here, and there's one bolt right here. It's 15mm, and then there's one more right here. Once we take both those off, we can hang the caliper. Okay, this is a good time to go ahead and put some thread locker on. I gotta get some more, I'm out. And you can also put some grease around this if you'd like, but now we'll go ahead and put our 36mm nut back on. Now this gets torqued down to 251 foot-pounds. It's quite a lot. So I'm gonna run in with impact for a little bit and then get my torque wrench out. Okay, so we are going to 251 foot-pounds. There we go. Okay, so we'll go ahead and put our rotor back on. Just like that. We'll go ahead and run one of these lug nuts down, just so it's easier to put our brake caliper back on. Grab our brake caliper, take our hook out. So we'll go ahead and tighten these down. Okay, so now we're going to torque both of those to 85 foot-pounds. There we go. So that's one. Perfect. Okay, don't forget to put your cap back on. This keeps moisture out. Try to straighten that up as best we can. Perfect. Go around, make sure that it's seated properly, which it did. Now we can put the wheels on. Now we just lower the jack stand and torque those down to spec. If this video helped you out, please give me a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.